James, we finna really see what you talking about, honey. Cover my nipple up real quick, but we finna see what you got going for us, honey. Morphe and James Charles. Another scandal? Maybe so. Or maybe I'm a slay hoe. I don't know, period. Whatever. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's WORLDOFZACH here, and I'm back for another video. And I'm really excited, like, okay, I don't know if I said the last one, but anyway, I'm really excited to film today's video to unleash my inner artist. Did I do it right? Wait, yeah, like, this is the way he did it. Yeah, I did it. That was real cute, like, or whatever. So as you guys can probably already see from the title of the video, I'm gonna be reviewing the James Charles. Hold on, wait, I don't want to say that because I got it kind of dirty. But the James Charles and Morphe palette, the Artistry palette that he created in collaboration with Morphe. Like, Morphe got money, cosmetics. Hello, honey. James Charles came out with a 39 shade eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like. It has a signature there and also my fingerprints, but the fingerprints did not come with the palette. Your purchase comes clean and dandy, but we'll get these fingerprints because you can see, yep, it happens. But this is really huge. Like, this is huge. I'm gonna show y'all what the palette looks like in a minute. But before I show y'all, I wanna make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to my channel down below. Click the button. I got the picture right here so y'all know how to subscribe, like what to click on, just in case you don't know. In case you weren't informed, sis. Like, I just want you to, like, I'm here to guide you, okay? I'm here to, like, help you out. Bless you. So just follow the picture right there. Scroll down if you already been subscribed. Just go ahead and check. Make sure you're subscribed. Your notifications are on for my videos. Give this video a big thumbs up so you can share this out. And we can get this Melanin Man makeup on the map because men in makeup, like, we're on the rise. We're trying to be in this beauty community and show that we matter, that we have a place, and, you know, that we count and we can slay too, sis, okay? Hello? So that's why I'm super excited to bring you guys this video. James Charles and Morphe. James Charles is no joke, like a makeup maven, icon, like mogul. He's a super duper businessman, like incredible. No matter what you say about him, the scandals and everything like that, flashback marrying, everything, he's able to take that and make money and market off of it and just progress. And he's grown so much in YouTube and social media over the past, like, what, 2 years, sis? Like, how many people do you know that can really do that at such a young age and being a male in the beauty scene? So I appreciate him for that part of it, and for Morphe, you know, always including men in their whole campaign, which is why I do really like Morphe, aside from their cheap, like, affordable products. But I will say this though, let's get real, honey. Tap into this little microphone real quick. We need more melanin men in makeup. Mainstream, okay? We do. We need more melanin men in makeup, getting collaborations like this, like being on the packaging, like, you know, like, we need this. Can we get this? Like, hold on. Let me show y'all real quick. Here we go. Same thing, you know what I'm saying? Like that, like, can we just get one of me on there? Like, I'm just saying, vote for it. Click the button down below. Share this with somebody. Share with James. Share with Morphe. Share with all these other brands too, honey, because I'm ready, okay? There's so many amazing artists out there. So many amazing men in makeup and melanin men in makeup who are out there doing their thing and grinding and just trying to work for a place. And it's not that easy for us to get acknowledgement, like acknowledged and whatnot. I don't know if that was a word, but acknowledgement, honey, it's hard for us to get acknowledgement. Okay, sis? Yes. But anyway, I'm not going to dive too much into that. Just want you guys to know that I really do. I'm excited for this. Excited for James Charles. I've heard things like being in the industry and whatnot. Regardless of any bad things I've heard of him, I'm here to judge the palette because I've already had messages from some of y'all on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, honey. I'm going to put it right here too. It's going to be somewhere on the screen. Go ahead and follow me at WORLDOFZACH on Instagram. Connect with me. Talk to me. Like, enjoy the fire pictures and everything like that, honey. Because they're cute, okay? Period. But I want you guys to connect with me there and whatnot. But people have hit me up asking me already about this palette. I got mine from Ulta. I didn't order it the day it came out. I went to pick mine up, so I wasn't able to use codes Edges, Jackie Aina code, or Thomas's code. I wasn't able to use a code 10% off or nothing like that. But I got my palette for $39 is what the palette retails for, and it also is a brush collection. I'm not gonna dive too much into the palette as far as like the different type of pigments and shimmers and stuff like that. James Charles has done a few videos and went well in depth and had a lot of things, so I'll just link his channel down below. But this is what the palette looks like. It comes like with a little clear film right here. You can see this has the names of the shadows on there, so you kind of know, because he posted on his Instagram the looks that he created with this, the Artistry palette, which is meant to, you know, motivate people, to encourage people to just be creative, be expressive, and embrace their inner artist. Or wait. Embrace your inner artist. I know that's cute. Yep. But yeah, you guys, I think this pretty much you can do so many things with this, but I'll link his channel down below, his videos. You can check him out to get the full depth scope of everything. I'm just here to give you my opinion, to test out some of the products, some colors that I know some people are like really interested in, may want to do if you're just really into makeup and whatnot. I will be using this palette in the next couple upcoming videos and whatnot, just probably on a regular. I have tried it once, so I do know I already like some of the shadows in here. I want to try some of the other more complicated, harder colors, you know, get her run for her money. James, we finna really see what you're talking about, honey. Cover my nipple up real quick, but we finna see what you got going for us, honey. Morphe and James Charles. Another scandal? Maybe so. Or maybe I'm a slay hoe. I don't know, period. Whatever. But I just hope you guys do enjoy this. Please, please, please.
Just go ahead and grab your popcorn, grab your tea sis, grab your chocolate chip cookies, grab your eggnog, grab your leftover turkey dressing or whatever.
Okay. So you guys, I did watch Yuki's video. I'll link her channel down below as well. Her video, her reviews are incredible. She said not to use the Makeup Revolution concealer to do the eyeshadow as an eyeshadow base, and James Charles also said try not to use a concealer, use the actual primer, but I don't have a primer, so I'm gonna go ahead and pretty much do the exact opposite of what they said don't do. I kind of tested this out yesterday and it didn't do so bad. Like the eyeshadow look didn't come out terrible, so hopefully it doesn't play me on camera. Also, real quick, girl, I don't like the fact that the names aren't on there because this little sheet, I'm not gonna keep her. She's not gonna stay in the family. She don't pay rent here. She don't contribute to the. She's not gonna live here with me. But like just the names and like that, and then I like the whole unleash your inner artist situation right here. It's real cute. Can't really see it unless you buy it. So go ahead and buy it so you can read it. But a little, like just maybe like a little mirror, like a small one, so you just a small little. James Morphe, just give me a corner piece mirror or something like that. Just a little one. That's it, period. I'm gonna go ahead and get into shadows now. So to start this look out, I'm just gonna go in with the shade You're Kidding and press that into like my outer crease area, which is where I want this color to be saturated. And that's a pure, bitch. Hold on. But do y'all see this? I'm red, honey. Harley Quinn is shaking. Harley Quinn is shaking in her boots, honey. This is, wow, that's a red. Like, that is a red. He's right, you're kidding. You're kidding. Like, this is actually stunning. For real, like, no BS, nothing like that. Like, I'm not getting paid for this. Y'all know that already, like, honest, cold cut truth. This is stunning. I'm not trying to blend it out. I'm just trying to push the color down. Yeah, I just want to take this on the outside because what I want to do is create all this red and just do something. Y'all gonna see whatever. We're just gonna go, but y'all can see right now, this red, I'm just packing this color on, is so pigmented and coming on beautifully. Like, this is a true red. And if you know me, y'all know I live for a good red lip, red clothes, red everything, you know what I'm saying? Do my shmoney dance. I don't know, that doesn't make sense at all with this. No shmoney here, except for my bank account, but Zach, just, that wasn't funny. Just unsubscribe from me. I'm sorry. Don't unsubscribe. Really, don't do that. But just not funny. Okay. This color is coming on beautifully. Like, this, beautiful. So I'm just taking the shade above You're Kidding. I don't know her name because the names aren't on the palette. But I'll post it on the screen. I'm just kind of taking this from my outer corner, blending them edges out and going all the way up to my brow and then bringing it to my inner brow bone area. I don't know if y'all can really see this, but I did not finesse like the shadow like that much with blending and stuff like that because I was using more of a packer brush. But she is looking really good. This eye is already coming together so beautiful. The shade I'm using right here is just more of an orangish tone. Taking her all the way in right here.
You kiss me like you love me for life, even if it's only one night, even if it's only one night. 'Cause I've been coming down that next love.
So I'm noticing that the red is kind of turning a little bit more purple on my skin tone, but as long as I just go back in and pack it, like with the blending and stuff like that, it'll get back to that red color because it was turning like more raspberry, and I don't want raspberry, honey. I want red, okay? I want that Taylor Swift. Loving You was red. Oh no, wait. Loving You was blue like I never knew. Missing You was ice gray all along. Loving You was like trying to love somebody that you never. Loving You was red, 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 red. Red, 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 red. Loving You was red, 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 red. Red, 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 red. I know Taylor Swift is shaking right now. Yeah, you see? Okay, yeah, you see? Packing that color right back in. Boom, there go the red.
Drinking in the morning to get up and go. Now I can't sleep alone. Now I can't sleep alone. I can't sleep alone in my home. No, I'm in my fucking zone. In my zone.
Okay guys, so this is pretty much what it's looking like right now. Some of it kind of looks a little bit more purple, like raspberry tones, but the red is still kind of shining through, and I think it does look really beautiful. The red, depending on how you pack it on, it can go more raspberry tones, but if you just pack it, but it's hard to do with like trying to get it blown out. This is kind of what it does on deeper skin tone. Just be notified of that, like be aware of that. But I can just pack this on and like get my pictures, whatever, and it'll look red. But it's coming on so good. It's blending beautifully. I'm really liking the pigment of the shadows so far. I haven't dove into the shimmers yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the eye look. Okay, bitch. So just to be real with y'all, I don't think I'm gonna go in super much detail while finishing up the rest of this look, because I really want to cover something really creative and different for you guys. Hopefully y'all just enjoy watching it, and I'll come back just to review the shadows. You want to create the look, I'm gonna do it in a way and try to edit it in a way to where you can follow along, whatever, you just know what I'm doing and whatnot. But I definitely want to try out the white shadow and see how that's doing. My facial expressions might be able to help y'all out a little bit. But yeah, so just enjoy, honey. I hope you guys are enjoying so far. I don't know what, I'm just sounding like yeah. America. This might be one of my favorite looks I've ever done. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm seriously so shook right now. This is the finished look. This is my take on the James Charles, the Morphe x James Charles artist palette. Oh my god, let me try to open it real quick. But this is my take on it. I really kind of just use this shade, barely this shade, but this red shade here, this orange shade here, and the yellow and the white. And I got this entire look right here. I'm wearing the Buxom Lippy in the color Soft Whisper. It's the Pillow Pout. Okay, I'm wearing the Buxom Pillow Pout Creamy Plumping Lip Powder in the shade Soft Whisper with a brown liner. And my lashes are Tarte Heartbreaker. So yeah, this is my look. The palette, let me tell y'all, T, okay? Y'all can see how red this looks and how berry toned this is, and like the red on my chest, you can see kind of like the highlight. Oh, I used a little shadow next to it too. Everything up in the screen. So yeah, this is a look. I'm honestly like in love with this look. I was inspired by Thomas Halbert, the look that he did with the super blown out blush, and he used, I think, the BH Cosmetics palette, like an old picture he did. I'll try to post this picture here if you guys can see, or it'll be tagged on my Instagram and whatnot. But Thomas Halbert was my inspo for this, and I saw another artist, like, I just love the blown out blush look. This is almost a look that I would wear on a, I don't know, would you wear this out? Let me know, comment down below if you like this look, if you wear this out, like what you think of this look altogether. The white is super pigmented, but I didn't want to take it too draggish, even though we live for the queens, honey, okay? Hello, period. But I just wanted to do something like creative, but also you can kind of play out this to make it more wearable look. If you just want to focus on the eyes, I think the eye look is beautiful. The fallout was very minimal. The shadows blended beautifully. Packing on the white, like he said, flashback. You build it up and it becomes a popping white, honey. James Charles and Morphe, y'all did this, honey. Like, this palette is beautiful. I'm living for it. Like, I really, really do like this. And I didn't, like, expect to love it so much. I've used it already, like, slightly, but I didn't expect it to come out like this. This is stunning. And it didn't take me that long to do. Like, oh my God. Ooh, when that color correct kick in, honey. Ow! Do y'all see this? This is stunning. I love this so much. It's a little bit messy, blown out. It could be better, could be worse, whatever, on that. But you guys kind of get the point, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this look, enjoyed this video. Don't forget to tag James Charles and Morphe when I post it. When I post a picture, something like that, follow me on Instagram. Pick up this palette if you get a chance. So it should be restocking. I'm gonna try to post it like Monday or Tuesday, this video, whenever it comes up. Hope you guys have a happy Thanksgiving. I love you guys so much. I have some really cool things in the works for you guys. Something really cool I'm excited about. Not like a collab with a brand or anything like that. Maybe so. Sometime in the future it will happen. Hello, period. Bless up. God bless. But yeah, you guys. So just stay tuned to my uploads. Make sure your post notifications on. You're subscribed to my channel. I love y'all so much. I'm talking a lot and talking really fast, but I want to just make sure I get through this video. I love you guys. Stay beautiful, stay creative. Make sure you stay positive and uplift each other, support each other, support this Melanin Man in makeup. And we got so much to do, so much to like live for. Just be happy. Be aware of your friends. Check on your strong friends. It's the holiday season. People get very emotional. Suicide rates are at an all-time high. Pray for everybody in California with the fires. And I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in this upload. Bye, guys.